Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Gentle Talks channel, where learning English is easy, slow, and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Paul. It's really nice to see you again today.
Paul, how are you today?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. I feel calm today. How about you, Emma?
I'm feeling great. I slept well last night, and I feel relaxed.
Oh, that's good. Good sleep makes everything better.
Yes, it really does. And today, I'm excited.
I can see that. You're smiling a lot. Why are you excited?
Because today's topic is very interesting and also very emotional.
Oh, now I'm very curious.
But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And please like this video. It really helps us.
Yes, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for your support.
All right, Paul, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Today, our topic is talking about your dreams.
Dreams. Wow, that's a big topic.
Yes, and a very beautiful one.
I agree. Dreams can be happy, dreams can be strange, and sometimes dreams can be scary.
That's true. Paul, when you hear the word dream, what do you think about first?
Good question. I think about dreams we see when we sleep.
Me too, like at night.
Yes, when you close your eyes and your mind goes somewhere else.
Exactly. And sometimes we remember them. Sometimes we don't.
Right. Some dreams feel very real.
Yes, so real.
And when you wake up, you feel confused.
Yes, you ask yourself, was that real or just a dream?
That happens to me a lot.
Me too. Paul, do you usually remember your dreams?
Not always. Sometimes I remember small parts.
Like what?
Like I remember a place or a face, but not the full story.
I understand that. For me, it's the same.
But sometimes I remember everything.
Oh, those dreams stay in your mind all day.
Yes, all day, and sometimes longer.
Paul, can you share a dream you remember?
Sure. Let me think. Okay. I remember a dream from last month.
Oh, tell me.
In the dream, I was walking in a big city,
Okay.
but the city was very quiet. No cars, no people.
That sounds a little scary.
A little, yes, but also peaceful.
Interesting.
Then suddenly, I started to fly.
You were flying?
Yes. I was flying above the buildings.
Wow, how did it feel?
It felt amazing. I felt free. No fear, just calm.
That sounds like a nice dream.
It was. I woke up smiling.
I love dreams like that.
Do you have flying dreams too?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yes, when I fly in dreams, I feel strong.
That's interesting.
But sometimes I also have bad dreams.
Ah, nightmares.
Yes, nightmares.
I don't like those.
Me neither. They can feel very real.
Very real. Your heart beats fast,
Yes, and you wake up suddenly.
and sometimes you feel scared even after waking up.
Exactly.
Emma, what is the scariest dream you remember?
Let me think. Okay,
Take your time.
I had a dream once that I was lost
Lost where?
in a big forest.
Oh no.
Yes, it was dark and quiet.
That sounds scary.
I was calling for help, but no one answered. I felt very small and very alone.
How did you feel when you woke up?
I felt scared, but also thankful.
Thankful.
Yes, because it was only a dream.
That makes sense.
I hugged my pillow and took a deep breath.
I do that too sometimes.
Really?
Yes, it helps.
Dreams are powerful.
They really are.
Paul, do you think dreams have meaning?
That's a big question.
I know.
Sometimes I think yes. Sometimes I think no.
I feel the same. Some people say dreams show our feelings.
Yes, like stress or happiness.
Yes, when I'm stressed, my dreams are busy.
Busy.
Yes, many things happen. Too many things.
I understand that.
But when I'm calm, my dreams are slow.
That's interesting.
Paul, do you talk about your dreams with friends?
Sometimes. With close friends.
Why only close friends?
Because dreams are personal.
That's true.
Some dreams show our fears. Some show our hopes.
Yes, and that can feel very private.
Exactly.
Paul, do you have a dream you had as a child?
Oh, wow. Yes.
Tell me.
When I was a kid, I often dreamed I was a superhero.
Really?
Yes. I had a cape,
Of course you did.
and I could run very fast.
That's adorable.
I would save people.
That's sweet.
I think that dream came from cartoons
Probably.
and from wanting to be brave.
I love that.
What about you, Emma?
When I was a child, I dreamed I could talk to animals.
That's a nice dream.
Yes, I talked to dogs and birds.
What did they say?
They were very kind.
That's lovely.
Dreams change as we grow up.
Yes, very much.
Now, Paul, there is another meaning of dream.
Ah, you mean life dreams,
Yes, dreams for the future.
goals.
Exactly.
That's very important.
Paul, what was your big dream when you were young?
I wanted to travel the world.
That's a great dream.
Yes, I wanted to see many countries.
Did you travel?
A little, not everywhere, but I'm still trying.
That's good.
Dreams don't have an age limit.
I love that sentence.
Thank you.
My dream was to help people.
You are doing that now.
I hope so.
Teaching English helps many people.
That makes me happy.
Dreams can change too.
Yes, they grow with us.
Some dreams become smaller,
Some become bigger.
and some stay the same.
Paul, do you think everyone should have a dream?
I think so. Even a small one.
Like what?
Like, I want to be happy. Or, I want a calm life.
Those are beautiful dreams.
Yes, dreams don't need to be big.
I agree.
Sometimes big dreams can feel scary.
Yes, they can feel heavy.
Small dreams feel easier.
Step by step.
Exactly.
Paul, do you remember a dream that changed you?
Yes.
Tell me.
I once dreamt I lost someone I love.
Oh,
But when I woke up, I felt thankful
thankful for what?
for the people in my life.
That's very touching.
After that dream, I called my family.
That's beautiful.
Dreams can teach us.
Yes, in quiet ways.
Do you write your dreams down?
Sometimes.
Why?
Because I don't want to forget them.
That's a good idea.
It also helps me understand myself.
That makes sense.
Paul, do you drink coffee before sleep?
Sometimes.
That can make dreams crazy.
Yes, I noticed that.
Me too.
Sleep habits matter.
Very much.
Good sleep, good dreams.
I like that.
Emma, what advice would you give about dreams?
I would say, don't be afraid of them.
That's nice.
Even bad dreams can teach us something.
I agree.
And about life dreams,
Yes?
be kind to yourself.
That's important.
Dreams take time.
Yes. No rush.
Paul, how do you feel after talking about dreams?
I feel calm and thoughtful.
Me too.
It's a peaceful topic.
Yes, very gentle.
Before we end, can I say something to our viewers?
Of course.
To everyone watching, your dreams matter.
Yes.
Both the dreams you see at night and the dreams you have in your heart.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, everyone. This brings us to the end of today's conversation.
Thank you for listening to us.
We hope this helped you learn English.
And also relax your mind.
Remember, learning English is a journey.
Just like dreams.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care.